Welcome to our environmental science program, where passion meets purpose and innovation drives change. Here, students tackle global challenges from multiple perspectives. In a world facing climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution, we believe in the power of choice. Our program offers hands-on opportunities to explore your interests while making a real impact on the planet. Step into a living laboratory where ecosystems become your classroom. Work with conservation experts to restore habitats and protect species. Get hands-on by building bug hotels, creating safe spaces for pollinators, the tiny engineers of healthy ecosystems. Environmental science extends beyond land to our oceans. Our program offers unique opportunities to study marine ecosystems, conduct biodiversity assessments, and track marine mammals using cutting-edge technology to gather crucial data on species and human impact. Camera traps reveal hidden behaviors, providing valuable insights into species diversity and conservation needs. During placements, you'll set up these cameras, analyze real data, and uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom. Explore the fascinating world of flora and fauna. Master skills such as invertebrate identification, scat analysis, and plant ecology to assess biodiversity and ecosystem health. Here, learning goes beyond the classroom, into protected areas and conservation approaches. Our immersive approach ensures that students don't just learn, they experience. Whether it's wildlife conservation, sustainability, or environmental policy, you'll gain practical experience, work with experts, and help shape a more sustainable future. Are you ready to turn your passion into action? Enroll in our environmental science program and be part of the solution.